Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Welcome to the channel. So I think today's the day. So we did a lot of preparation in this garage to get this thing ready. I'm actually in the garage now. Don't mind this door behind me. Actually, I'm going to paint that as part of my process too. But I think we're there. I think we're finally at the. I'm bringing my other car here. So quick little tour. We got a few things here to pick up. Nothing major. Just kind of move things out. Gonna readjust the Del Sol in here. Have a little bit more room on the other side over here. Got my transmission, so I think I might be able to scoot it over a little bit more. So I don't think that's necessarily an issue, but we'll make some room in here and I should be able to bring the Civic in. So I think that's gonna be the plan for today. We're actually gonna be bringing the car over here. I got a buddy of mine bringing a trailer over. And we're gonna get the Honda over here so I can start making some content for you guys. So I can get this car running. It's been a long time. I did put the motor in earlier this year. Haven't had an opportunity to go back over and get it started. But once I get it here, there's nothing stopping me from getting it started. So that's the plan. We're gonna get it started. However, today's gonna be a little different this morning. It's gonna be later this afternoon. It's early in the morning now. It's gonna be later this afternoon that I'm gonna be getting my car. But now I'm waiting for my pops to get here. We're actually gonna do a little bit of fishing today. So maybe I'll take you guys a little bit on that journey here this morning until I get the car to come back and we'll take that car over here. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the channel below. And I'll see you guys soon. Finally got it loaded up on the trailer. My father gets his garage back. All right, guys, and we made it back. The Honda is here. It's ready for some work. Whole ton of work I gotta do. Even got some flat Del Sol tires on it. So I gotta get this thing back on jack stands, but it's back. We're ready to do some work. So definitely stay tuned. We're gonna tighten up this interior. Get this thing all nice and clean, all nice and white. Change out that steering wheel. Put some new seats in it and make it good, so. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna fire this motor up. Probably one of the first things I do. Still gotta finish the rear suspension and get everything in it. But we're looking good. Got 2 or 3 projects here. Next thing after I finish this build here is to get the hatchback over here. And now that I got this car out of my dad's garage, I can actually get my motor stand, my motor lift, and get this motor in the other garage and get this thing rebuilt for the hatchback. So everything is here and we are ready to do some work. So thank you guys for checking out the garage again today. Civic's here, no more excuses. Definitely gonna get this work done, get this motor running, get everything going. I think it's gonna be a very, very epic video. I got plenty of content coming for this thing. I know there's some other Civic videos, so check those out. I'll post the link above. But check all that stuff out. Let me know what you guys think of this build. I'll give you guys a quick update on this in the next video, but I have been working on this car since probably 2002, so I finally got it to where I can actually work on it now and get it done. Has the original motor, rebuilt everything inside from the pistons up, everything is good, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys. Please hit that like button, that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think below, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Till then, peace.